another video. Oh, that took a lot of energy. So much for clicking on this video, and maybe you clicked out of it after that. I don't know. Anyways, I got another nail design for you this week, so let's get right into it. But before, maybe subscribe down below there, you know, and don't forget to like it, you know, if you liked it. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Now I'll start by painting all my nails white except for my middle finger here. I'll paint it this kind of coral pink color, even though for some reason on camera it looks very orange. And now I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to take some white acrylic paint and I'm going to put just 2 dots kind of close by to each other on my nail, and I'll take these rhinestones, they're in the shape of a butterfly, and I'll take my color pencil and I'll put it right on top of the wet acrylic paint, and I'll just have to position them like perfectly on there. I kind of want them like to look more natural. And now I'll take my pencil again in this coral polish. For some reason that looks orange, and on camera it kind of looks orange, but it's pink. And I'll just make some lines just in between the butterflies as so. And now that is all done for that design, and now moving on to my middle finger, I will take my dotting tool and some black acrylic paint, and I'll just make 2 dots for his eyeballs. And then I'll take my pencil and make 2 triangles for his ears. They're kind of flapping down, his ears. This little piggy has some floppy ears. And then I'll draw a circle that somebody literally stepped on, and now it kind of looks like a rectangle for his nose. And I'll also put 2 little tiny circles in the middle of his nose. And then I'll take some light pink acrylic paint to make his blushies on both sides of his cheeks. And now the piggy design is all done. And now I'll start with the cute little chicken, and I'll take my dotting tool again with some black acrylic paint, and I'll make some dots and for his eyes. And now I'll take some yellow acrylic paint and make a triangle, kind of looks like a pizza, for his beak. And then I'll take some red acrylic paint for it to kind of draw his comb on top of his head. And now I'll take some red acrylic paint and make his waddle. And take the same light pink acrylic paint to make his blushies on both sides of his beak. And there we go, the chicken design is all done, very simple. And now for the pinky, I'll just do the exact same thing I did on my index finger, but instead of pink, I will put yellow in between the butterflies. And there we go, it's all done. Now seal in all your designs with a fast drying top coat so they don't go nowhere. And now they're all done, and I really enjoyed this design because it's animals, and I love putting animals. That's like one of my favorite designs to paint on my nails is animals. And this is a perfect design if you want to paint it on like kids. It's like a kid's design, and it's really wonderful. So yeah, that is the design for this week. Remember, I post a video every week, so get back here in another week, because I'll be waiting for you. I'll literally be sitting here waiting for you. Like, is she coming? They're coming over to me. I'm right here. I uploaded. That's so weird. Anyways, that concludes this nail tutorial. So I will see you next week with another nail tutorial. I'm back with another Odd Things I Own. So this is an odd thing I own. It hangs up on my wall. And I got it from this couple in town. They handmade it. He made the wood, she made the paper inserts for it. And they are pretty cute. I keep it hanged up. So these are the 2 things. Okay, so yeah, they hang on my wall and they're really cute. This one, as you can see, it's like she hand did the paper, and it's pretty cool. She put little flowers in there. She's got a little girl with no shoes on. Must have dirty feet. And a little watering can there, and a kitty, and yeah, some flowers. And this one is a girl just cooking some, like, I don't know, biscuits or something in a mixing pan. She's got a little pocket, she's got a little stove there, and another cat. This one's fatter. And a little window back there. So yeah, I always thought they were really cute, so I hanged them on my wall. It's stuck in my hair. So yes, this is an odd thing I own. But I actually know where I got them. I mean, most of the odd things I own, I don't even know how I get them. But I know where I got these, and they're treasures. And I like them a lot. Anyway, Anyway, so that concludes this week's video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on it and watching it all the way through. So guys, I'll see you again next time.